Okay then, here we go with the Monday update for the 12th of February. Spud's chitting away, only been there for a couple of days. Don't expect much to happen yet. Lemongrass enjoying their new pots. That's the leek Portobello. I've moved them from under the lights now just to get them a little bit more sturdy. These go outside now and again, as do the shallots. These are my shallots, my own saved ones. And the onions I pricked out the other day, they're on a Spider Farmer SF600 and sat under a Spider Farmer SF600. They're in the 24 cell trays. And on top of the top SF600, we got the mammoth onions. 5. I can't believe we've got 5 at about 50 odd seeds or more. Chilies are doing okay. Got to keep an eye on the watering now though. So I'll be doing that again in a minute. Nothing from the Cape gooseberries yet, or the Boratan, or I think they are, onions at the back there. Still only 2 sweet peas in that module there. One's rocketed away, and that one's just decided to unfurl itself. That's been a little stumpy little green thing for over a week. But right at the back there on the left, we got another one showing, so that's all right. The other chilies are down here. They're doing okay. Like I say, need a good watering in a minute. And these are the red flash onions. I'm going to have to start moving those outside soon. And onto the Spider Farmer heat mat down here. We got the ginger that I'm trying to grow. I am growing, not trying. Nothing from the second sowing of mammoth onions or the Welsh onions yet. Or indeed the 3 different lots of Zebrun. I'll just whiz you around the other side quickly. Leeks, 2 lots of leeks there, and the 2 lots of leeks down there, nothing yet. Okay then, upstairs in the Vitapod under the Spider Farmer SF1000. These chilies are rocketing away. Look at these. They're almost, in fact they are, just over the top of the Vitapod layer. So maybe put a second one on tomorrow. I might have to get these aubergines out as well because they're overcrowding a little bit. And if you can see those, here we are. Ooh, you can see by the black lines on the quarter cell tray, that's where I planted 5 of each of the other chilies and peppers. Second one in there, it's hard to do this in one hand. That one there, second one in, jalapeno popped up yesterday. On the end here, basket of fire came today. And that's the first pepper to come up. Big Ben. Yeah, so cool. And I'm going to have to start watering these more carefully because they are drying out rather quickly. So I'll do that now. I think it will soon be time to start pinching some of these out. But that'll be the subject of another video. Well, let's get these watered and think about putting the second layer on. Well, there you go, guys. I think you'll agree there's some pretty amazing growth there in just 1 week. It's going to be hard to do these comparison photographs soon, I'll tell you that. Catch you next Monday. Take care.